My channel is all kinds of viewer supported, no ads and no sponsored content. If you like what you're watching, please rate it and leave me a comment. And if you'd like to see more, consider supporting the channel through Patreon. Hey guys, happy first day of spring. I'm so happy for warmer weather. I'm going to do a face chart today. I haven't done one of these in a while. I get these from thefacechart.com, which is really weird to say because I ship them from the garage, so it's not like I have to travel far. Eye charts, lip charts as well. This is actually a giveaway winner chart kind of thing on Patreon. You Happy Beauty on YouTube, she won a giveaway. She loves this chart, so she wanted, she just told me, like, I love this chart, and so I thought I would do something inspired by it. So we're going to get started. You're going to see me here in a second. I do some initial steps priming the page. I will explain more of this in a later video where I go into more detail. I'm using these palettes from illamasqua. They're actually kind of not bad and sort of fun. So I got them because I thought they'd be great face chart palettes. And it turns out they are actually not so bad. So sit back, relax, and just, I don't know, hang out. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you.
When the transformation